Imagine a lifestyle where you can simplify, downsize, and connect with a like-minded community where small becomes monumental and living large takes on a whole new meaning. Let's explore and get ready to be inspired as we take you to some of the most livable tiny house communities in the USA. Join us as we uncover the hidden gems of Arizona, Michigan, California, and many other states where tiny homes are more than just a trend. They're a lifestyle choice embraced by a vibrant community. Whether you dream of waking up to sincere lakeside views, immersing yourself in nature's embrace, or relishing the energy of an urban setting, there's a tiny house community tailored to your desires. Lakeside, Arizona. Tiny Lux Home Community. Lux Tiny, a renowned custom home builder specializing in luxurious small dwellings, is redefining the concept of downsizing. They're crafting a groundbreaking tiny house community in the picturesque White Mountains of Arizona, where comfort and stunning vistas coexist harmoniously. Situated on 6 acres of pristine land, this community comprises 45 meticulously designed spaces that redefine modern living. The opportunities at Lux Tiny are abundant. Whether you wish to become a proud homeowner or experience the joys of renting, homes for those seeking permanent ownership are available starting at an affordable $64,900. Alternatively, if you prefer the flexibility of renting, Lux Tiny offers rental options starting at approximately $800 per month. This variety caters to diverse needs and preferences. ACME, Michigan. WHEELHAUS at Traverse Bay RV Resort. Teaming up with Traverse Bay RV Resort, WHEELHAUS has created a community of luxurious modular tiny homes. With homes averaging around 400 square feet and spacious lots starting at 5,000 square feet, these dwellings boast state-of-the-art appliances, porches, and rustic-inspired interiors featuring reclaimed wood flooring and ceilings. Delight in the surrounding natural beauty, embark on outdoor adventures, and connect with a community that shares your passion for elegant, sustainable living. Lemon Cove Village, California. Discover the perfect place to build your dream small dwelling at Lemon Cove Village, a charming tiny house-friendly RV community nestled in the picturesque foothills of the Sierra Nevada in California. Just a short drive from the breathtaking Sequoia National Park, this idyllic location offers both serenity and access to natural wonders. You can secure a lot at Lemon Cove Village to bring your small dwelling to life. Whether it's a tiny custom-built house or a vintage trailer, this community welcomes a variety of housing options that embrace the spirit of compact living. The site rates range from $450 to $595 monthly, covering utilities and ensuring convenience as you settle into your new home. San Diego, California. Tiny Block House Community. Tiny House Block provides the perfect opportunity if you've ever dreamt of experiencing the joys of tiny house living. Whether you have your own tiny house or are looking to rent, this community welcomes individuals to embark on a journey of compact living. Tiny House Block offers long-term rentals for those curious about the tiny house lifestyle, allowing you to fully immerse yourself in this innovative way of living. What sets Tiny House Block apart is the dedication to providing an exclusive environment for tiny house owners and those simply intrigued by the concept. If you don't have your own tiny house, fear not. Tiny House Block offers the chance to rent a tiny house on-site, allowing you to experience the charm and functionality of tiny living firsthand. Cloudland, Georgia. Little River Escape. Nestled on Lookout Mountain near the Georgia-Alabama line, Little River Escape is an ideal retreat for those seeking escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. Residents can enjoy nature, rivers, camping, and world-class trekking with numerous tiny houses, RV sites, and cabins. This community features top-notch amenities, including a pool, fitness center, clubhouse, and more. Orlando, Florida. Orlando Lakefront. Originally built in the 1950s as the prefabricated home park, Orlando Lakefront has become one of the Southeast's premier tiny house communities. Located just a short drive from downtown Orlando, it offers excellent amenities, including internet access, water, power, sewer hookups, pet-friendly walking paths, fishing docks, and laundry facilities. Its proximity to world-class entertainment and job opportunities adds to its appeal. Minnesota. The Sanctuary, Minnesota. The Sanctuary, Minnesota provides affordable parking spaces for tiny houses on wheels in the Midwest. While it's not afraid of a little winter chill, this community offers a peaceful haven surrounded by nature. They organize various community programs, including yoga and wellness activities, to foster a sense of connection among residents. Mount Laguna, California, Tiny House Block. Nestled in the scenic Mount Laguna, Tiny House Block is a dedicated community for tiny homes. You can park your tiny house on the property or rent one of their thoughtful designed tiny houses for short or long-term stays. Tiny House Block focuses on creating a true sense of community and restricts the number of tiny homes available for short-term rentals to maintain a close-knit atmosphere. Detroit, Michigan, Tiny House Community. For those who have always dreamed of owning a house but found it financially challenging, the Tiny House Community in Detroit offers an innovative solution. Designed to provide affordable urban dwellings and contribute to Detroit's revitalization, the community features 25 small houses ranging from 250 to 400 square feet. Each home is on a 30 by 100 foot lot, offering additional space with front or back porches. After 7 years of residency, these homes become rentable and the option to buy. Flagstaff, Arizona, Tiny House Community. Flagstaff, Arizona is home to a sustainable off-grid tiny house community called The Nest. This community offers various tiny house lots for lease and shared amenities, including community gardens, composting toilets, and solar power systems. The focus is on creating an environmentally friendly and socially conscious living environment, allowing residents to enjoy a stunning natural setting. Ohio, Cedar Springs Tiny Village. Cedar Springs Tiny Village is a charming lakefront community just over an hour and a half from bustling cities like Cincinnati, Columbus, and Indianapolis. Developed in collaboration with Gerald Brubaker and Modern Tiny Living, this community seamlessly combines small space living with modern amenities. Residents can explore expansive walking pathways, visit the neighborhood garden, or relax under the shade of mature cedar trees. Cedar Springs exclusively permits small houses constructed by Modern Tiny Living on Wheels, offering full hookups and monthly free ranging from $400 to $500. SPUR, Texas, Tiny House Community. SPUR, Texas is the first community in the United States to embrace tiny homes. This prairie town welcomes individuals seeking escape from urban or suburban life. While employment opportunities may be limited, self-sufficient individuals interested in starting a business will find affordable real estate options in SPUR. The cost of living in SPUR is 30% lower than the national average. However, it's important to note that certain guidelines are in place regarding the construction and foundation requirements of tiny homes in SPUR. These 12 remarkable tiny home communities across the USA provide unique opportunities for individuals to embrace the tiny home lifestyle. Whether you're seeking a long-term residence or a temporary retreat, these communities offer the chance to live sustainably, connect with like-minded individuals, and enjoy the benefit of simplified living. So explore these communities and find the perfect tiny house haven that resonates with your desires and values. In the comment section below, let us know which tiny house community captures your imagination. And if you found this information helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting updates. Stay tuned for our next video.